Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a review of this Braun flashlight. I bought this at Harbor Freight for $20, and the reason I'm doing this because this brand is not well known, and also sometimes when you see something like this, always come to your mind: should I buy it? Is it worth the money, or maybe, or it's just a junk, But that's why I'm doing this review. So when you go to the store, you see what bet. Okay, it says it is waterproof, rechargeable, LED spotlight, 400 lumens, and also has a stand for multiple position. It's impact resistant. If it fall, it's not gonna break. Lens and housing, and also easy grip. They claim you can go underwater with this, so we'll see. Okay, I took it out already, and I'm gonna show you this is basically the manual. Very easy manual. There is basically not much you can learn about this. It's just the flashlight, You see the whole inside parts and everything here if you wanna change something later, but we're not gonna do that. So we're just gonna show you this is the manual. Okay, here is the light. It has a lock, so you cannot turn it on or off. You see if it is on, so see it's locked. And here, this is the stand. We're gonna try it outside, but this is the stand. You can put it here, whatever you want. Like that. Okay. So let's go outside, and it is easy grip. It's not heavy. It's very, very nice. It feels good having it in your hand. So yeah, it's good. Let's go outside. Check. Okay, we are here. So gonna try it in this tree, see how good we can see. Whoa, see the tree? They claim with this one 400 luminance it lasts 2 hours and a half, and with this right here, this one is I believe 250 luminance, and it lasts 4 hours and a half, basically double than the brightest one. This is the brightest, 2 hours and a half, and this one double. Not much of a difference. So let's see how far we can see. Whoa, I don't know if you see that tree right there, but it's far away and I can see it very well. See, this is the flashing light. Yeah. Wow, we have a lot of light here, street lights. That's why we are not able to see very well, but this is pretty strong light. We're gonna find a darker place to do this, the other side. Okay, we are outside. Right here is darker. Let's see. Whoa, it is super bright, powerful. Let's try in that tree. See without. Whoa, amazing. I like it. See? 4 hours and a half with this one, and 2.5. Whoa. My dog's house right there. Okay, let me show you where is the cord to charge the flashlight. Is right here. This is the compartment, and basically you can use any phone cord because it is compatible with many brands except Galaxy and iPhones. They don't You know, they have their own stuff, but the all other carriers you can use them to charge. I like that. And it's a this one you can connect it on any phone or the computer or whatever. So I'm gonna put it back in and we're gonna do the water stuff. Go. Okay, we're gonna try it. See, we are at the laundry. So okay, we're gonna put it in the inside the water. I already filled this part. Okay. Still working. Very good. So I guess it passed the test. Put a little bit more water so it will be completely covered. But it's still working. It does pass the test. Okay guys, we are back in, and my conclusion. See, let me show you something. This is the I was talking about. See, 400 lumens, 2 hours and a half, and 250, 4 hours and a half, basically double. And let me show you right here how it works. 2.5 hours, 4.5 hours. Not much of a difference. And this one, I don't know how long, but my conclusion is that it is worth the money. It's good, very powerful, not heavy, very easy grip. I like it. I'm happy with this buy, and I will recommend this brand to you. And thank you for watching.